Hi guys, this is Jordan with US Abrasives. We're just showing you now our current American-made floor grinder called the FastPrep grinder and polisher. Basically, this is a single-phase 220 with the option of three-phase 10 horsepower motor. This is a Baldor motor, 7.5 horsepower. This grinder weighs, without weights, 230 pounds. And you have the option of adding additional weights to make the grinder's down pressure, or the grinder's weight in total, about 500 pounds. You add the weights on the side of the grinder right here, and basically it weighs it down over here. You have 12 pieces under the grinder that it takes. And you have the option with the floor grinder to switch to 7-inch, to take 7-inch instead of 2, so you can basically adapt 7-inch pads here. Doing maintenance or something, you're able to use the floor grinder like that. You're also able to take 2 of these floor grinders. You see the width is 21 inches. But if we're doing commercial or industrial, you're able to hook up 2 of these grinders to make it 42 inches. So we're also able to adapt a ride-on attachment on the back, which is 110. It costs about under $6,000 for the ride-on attachment that we're able to basically adapt to multiple different floor grinders. This grinder also goes up to 4,500 RPM. Now, to have an electric floor grinder that's not propane to go that fast, you never see that. Another thing about this floor grinder is when you put, let's say, 500 pounds and you use about, let's say, up to speeds of 4,500 RPMs, it won't jam on you, it'll continuously go. So let's say you want to grind through concrete, you don't have to worry about the floor grinder stopping on you. It's a very dependable grinder. It's basically belt driven, not gear driven. So we don't have to worry about oils or anything spilling or different types of oils that's thickening up. It has to be like certain temperatures. It's belt driven, it's a standard serpentine belt. Basically, we'll unbolt the bottom of the grinder right here, and the belt will be over here. The belt can take some abuse, guys. Literally, if it breaks on you, if it breaks, it's $30 to replace. That's what is being fixed. This is nothing Chinese, nothing European. This is an American-made floor grinder. Okay.